Hello, book lovers and story lovers. We are staying at home? Yes, we are, for our good health and well being. The virus COVID-19 is wreaking havoc all over the world, and we must do the responsible things and listen to our authorities. However, isn't it wonderful we can stay connected, sit together and listen to one story? My name is Gillena Cox. I live in St. James. I have worked in libraries for many years and I am now a retired library assistant. In my retirement, I have clung to my fondest hobby, writing poems, and I've also published a few storybooks for children. This book I will read to you today is about where we are in the universe, about school, about playing with friends in the schoolyard, about a quiz. This book is titled Third Planet from the Sun. Listen. These were hot days, very hot days. However, the nights were cooler. Zinnia kept hearing grown-ups talk a lot about the weather and using the words global warming. Mommy brought her a glass of milk. She didn't like milk very much. What she liked very much was orange juice. She drank her milk with some encouraging words from her mommy, very slowly. It was now time to brush her teeth and get into her jammies. That's what Zinnia called her pajamas. She chose the white ones with the colored kitty cat patterned all over. Her dad began to read to her a bedtime story. In no time at all, Zinnia was fast asleep, dreaming of ice lollies and lollipops. Today was the day for her class quiz. Zinnia woke up early. By the time her mommy had gotten to her room to wake her up, she was already out of bed, had drawn the curtain, and was looking out the window. "How nice for a change! You are up already," said her mommy. "Today's the quiz," said Zinnia. "Yes, I remember," said her mommy. "Check your book bag to see that you have everything you need for school today. Then come and have your bath," said her mommy. Zinnia's dad came in to say good morning and to give her a hug. "Do you have your things packed for school today?" he asked. Zinnia shook her head, looking very worried. "No," she said. "I cannot find my favorite red crayon." "Did you look under the bed?" her dad asked. She pouted and shook her head. "Perhaps it rolled under your homework table," said her dad. Zinnia shook her head, starting to cry. "It's okay. Do not cry. I will ask your mommy to have a look," said her dad. Zinnia's mommy came to her room with a stern look on her face. "How many times have I told you to put away your things after you use them?" "But I cannot find my favorite red crayon," Zinnia said, beginning to cry. Then, bringing her left hand from behind her back, her mommy said, "Here it is." It was on the dining table. Zinnia clapped her hand. Happy now? Her mommy asked. She stopped crying instantly. Come now, it's time for your bath, said her mommy. At school, Zinnia, Petunia, and the 3 other friends sat together in their group, Team B. Team A was meeting Team B for a quiz. Moon and stars and planets 9. The teacher asked Team A, how many moons does Earth have? One of the boys raised his hand and answered, 1. The teacher asked Team B, name any 4 planets in our solar system. One of the girls raised her hand and answered, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. The teacher asked Team A, what are the names of the other planets in our solar system? One of the boys raised his hand and answered, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. The teacher asked Team B, what is at the center of our solar system? One of the girls raised her hand and answered, the sun. The teacher asked Team A, where is Earth placed from the sun? No one raised a hand. The teacher waited. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. The teacher prompted. Is it first place, 4th place, 8th place? Still, no one raised a hand. The teacher then said, Team B, can you answer this question? Then the littlest girl raised her hand and answered, 3rd. Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. Zinnia, Petunia, and the other girls in Team B clapped their hands heartily. We won, they said happily. Quiet now, said the teacher. There is one more question. Team B again. And what do the stars do? Petunia raised her hand and answered, they twinkle and shine. Later, in the afternoon, before leaving school, the 5 friends played their hand-clapping game and they sang. Earth was meant to be a happy place to live. 1 moon, 1 sun, 1 love. La 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 la. 3rd planet from the sun. La 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 la. 3rd planet from the sun. Did you enjoy the story so far? Okay. Now the story ends with a haiku poem. Mother's outstretched hand. Night sky cradles a moon in the shape of a smile. The end. It was a pleasure reading to you, book lovers and story lovers. Stay at home. Be safe. Bye now.